Hey guys, and this is Reggie with another video. And so my video today, and I want to get serious with you guys, is we need to continue our education. As newer designs come out, newer models, it's important not to be a dinosaur and go out and go on a job and you just don't know how to fix the machine or just take it apart, right? And there needs to be more places where you can go and train. I don't know where these places are. I don't know where you can go and get a good quality training on the new product, right? Preferably somewhere that you're already doing business at, somewhere with a massive warehouse full of parts, right? I don't know where this place is. If you're already doing business with them, or if you're not, you just want the education, somewhere you can come and just learn. I don't know where this place exists. I mean, the type of place where you can just walk through the door and learn how to work on new equipment, right? And of course, the person teaching it has to be knowledgeable. I mean, a place maybe like a guy like Tim Burdick, simulcasting live from the class, and you come to the classroom and you can network with other technicians. Where is this place, right? And usually this type of training costs, hundreds of dollars other places. So let's say it's free if you come down to the warehouse, right, and sit in this classroom, wherever this place is. You sit in the classroom and it's free. Or you say, hey, it's a little far for me. Something that charges $20, $30 to broadcast it right from your shop. Where is this place? Who does that, right? And then when you're here, you're hungry. You got. There's no way you can learn on an empty stomach. So this place has to provide lunch. I don't think this place exists, guys and girls. I just don't think it exists. I don't know. What company would do that? I don't know. So anyway, maybe the answer is in the description. So look in the description. Maybe it's there. I don't know. So this is Reggie, another video. I'll see you next time.